Independence is not just a date in the calendar, but a living, breathing essence. Also a testament to the values of freedom, democracy, and progress with harmony. Each and every soul carried the dream of Swatantra Bharat in their heart. The British colonized India and its citizens. The British was said to be the empire on which the sun never sets, and our Indian workers were put into places where the sun never shines. During the British slavery movement, under the colonization, the British scrutinized every worker. They drank only limited cups of water, and almost every day they did not eat any food. Laborers working in plantation at large scale. The British officer inspects the workers. He scrutinizes the laborers. As he was inspecting, one of the laborers asks for water as he is thirsty. The officer ruthlessly beats and whips him. His son watches from distance and runs to his father. The son felt angry even though he was helpless. Another day, another one bites the dust. Without them showing the pain, they started their routine as usual.
Tired workers return to home after work.
After 90 years of colonization, India is going to have freedom soon. Talk between the INC and the British is going on.
After hearing this, the pain of Indians were healed. The revolutionaries were distributing food and the family goes to eat with joy and acceptance. Unfortunately, the mother faints as she was very weak due to famine. Both father and son are very desperate for help. The father also passes away slowly.
As the boy was crying, the little girl consoles him, and the girl appeared like the ray of hope for the boy. Her parents adopted him and gave him a new beginning in life. By remembering his parents, he started his new life with his new family.